A 2015 Range Rover Evoque. We have a hard time pumping gas. I just want to show you guys something. It's a little disgusting, but hey, whatever it takes to fix a car. So there's 3 of these, right? If you blow onto them like this, so good. This one, the last one got stuck, but that's a brand new one. That's a brand new one. Yeah. If you blow onto it, good. So I believe this is the one, and the location is underneath right here. So after that, you open this up. You have 2 bolts. One right there. It's on the bracket. One right there, 10 mil. One right here, 10 mil. After that, you can pull everything down. This vent hose is actually clipped onto that bracket right there. What you can do, you can unclip it and then it will swing out, no problem. It's pretty good. And you don't need to remember how this goes because the line will only reach this long. Yeah, everything should be straightforward from now on. Just put everything back and then yeah, and do an update after this. Yeah, I do believe this is a core problem here.